back to my channel. This is Cherish Isaac, and if this is your first time, what's up, what's good, welcome. And if you're returning, I'm grateful. Please do not forget to click on the subscribe button on red and click on the bell button so you get notified, and there are options for you to choose occasionally, always, to get notifications from me, because if you do not click on the bell button, you do not get any subscription, upload, or any notifications from me. So please let us change that and let's make this channel grow. So what am I up to today? Today's video is the first clip of a full video that will be coming on in 2 weeks time of a brand review, and this is because this brand claims that they are going to make changes in my life or something like that. So let me just tell you guys quick backstory. So that more recently, and I had a handshake with someone, and the person was like, oh, your palm is really firm. My palm has never been this strong. It happened recently, like changes happened in my life, and it became so hard, it became so strong. This is why I don't like to shake. I think it's because of the manual labor I went to in my boarding school in Nigeria, or how many times I got flogged. So now my palms are no longer soft, and I'm the only one that has this type of palm in my family. You can imagine. I had tried to change it by like using organic oil, things like that, but after a while I just stopped caring and just moved on in my life, because man cannot kill himself. So I was approached by this guy, and he swore heaven and earth, told me da, and I said, you know what, let me just give this a try, because this is the first time I'm hearing about the brand. And I don't know, I was feeling good, I had good vibes, good God, so I decided to buy. So let me show you guys the product I'll be reviewing in 2 weeks time. Excuse my voice because I do have a cold right now. So this is what it comes in, and the name of the cosmetic is called ITORO, and I'll just tell you guys the product I got, and there'll also be screenshots showing you guys how to use it, what it's meant to do in my life, and every jazz and everything. So the name, I'll just show you guys. So the name of this one is called Calming Body Butter Adore Spirit, and this brand niche in the world is that they are innovative organic products. So that is the uniqueness that this brand brings that other brand does not have. I believe that's the edge. Another thing I got from the brand was, sorry about my voice, I feel like it's going in and out. Another thing I got from the cosmetic store was the Dead Sea this one is called Relaxing Dead Sea Body or Salt Scrub with Aromatic Oils. So this one is the scrub. It looks like a sugar scrub, and they said I should use it for 2 weeks to 3 weeks and I'll see great results. So I'm meant to use this one first, put it on my palm, scrub it, rinse it off, and make use of the Calming Butter Body Oil. What's it called? Calming Butter Body Butter. Today's date is May the 18th. I just hope it shows this time, because I looked at my other video and I realized that the date wasn't really showing, so we'll try this again. Oh, I also want to add that if you're wondering why I had this kind of crazy look going on, I did a Google Pics my makeup kind of look, and the link will be up, and you guys click on it to see my struggles on how I got this look looking pink. All right, so moving on in my review. So the guy tried this product on me, and it's basically like a bowl of salt, but like salt with some form of oil, and it smells really good. Like, there's something about the smell. I'm not really into like smells and all that kind of stuff. Like, I'm not like into candles. I do not like smells because they just have a weird effect on me in general. But this one is really mild. It's like I'm out in the ocean. I feel like that's the idea, but I was kind of confused to see that the brands have two different cosmetic names on it. It says on the body that it's Deep Sea Cosmetics. So I'm like, is Adore Cosmetic associated with Deep Sea Cosmetic, or is this another product line that they call Deep Sea Cosmetic? So I was kind of confused. I didn't get it. I would also be putting the information about what apparently they said this product was going to, the effect, like the benefits of using this one. I'm just going to put it on the screen because I don't want to twist my tongues trying to explain everything that they said. So I'm just going to put all the information down for you to see for yourself. And the funny thing is, this Deep Sea Cosmetic also has a website. So I'm like, I don't get it anyways. So moving on to the main stuff why I made this video. In all honesty, I would say that the product has an effect on your palm, but it works at a short term. So when because I just kept it in my bathroom, so when I'm done taking a shower and I'm about to leave, I see the product because I didn't want to forget. I wanted to do it religiously. So I take the product, I first of all use the scrub my hand. Like, you need to see me, I'm like scrubbing it, I'm putting it into my fingers, scrubbing all that, you know. Then after that I make use of the second one, and this one actually has the ITORO logo on it, and it said it's a spirit calming body butter. And ITORO, I believe their motion or their vision is that the brand is an organic innovation of brands, of all brands. So I think that's the edge or the uniqueness they bring. I actually do like this one. Actually melts like butter. Like, they said it's a calming body butter, because I started using it all over my body. Like, I don't know, like, there's a way it felt and all that, but I just felt like, because I also have a dry skin, I just feel like this was not a good like cream for me, because it felt good, yes, but it didn't just sustain my body enough. Like, it didn't moisturize me. This is my personal review. This might be bomb for you, but just take it from me how I feel. So if you have a dry skin, maybe you should get something that literally will work better to moisturize your skin and all that. It felt good initially, like 5 to 10 minutes, and it didn't really moisturize my palm. Salt one had a lot of oil. Like, you could tell, like, when I rinsed it off, I could see on my sink like some form of oil were released and everything, but I felt like overall they were not that good. Like, they're just okay, and I'm so happy I didn't get them for the price that they initially told me they were for, because I got them for a pretty good deal, and I'll show you guys my receipt. So I got the both of them for $80, which is a lot. Like, now I'm just thinking to myself, like, what the hell? Like, what the hell? Why did I get this for this price? Anyways, I don't know what I was thinking, but I've learned my lesson. You will see that I bought this thing Thursday on April the 12th, and this is May the 18th. So all this while I've been using it, nothing effectively happened in my hand. Like, I didn't all of a sudden feel like, oh wow, my hands are so so soft. Oh wow, my hands are so soft. It was just okay. It was just like a regular thing, and I did it so many times. It's just there. Like, it does not really exfoliate, or it does not really exfoliate my sister, my brothers. So that is it. The ugly truth about it. It might work for some people, but I used mine for, I said I was going to use it for only 2 weeks or so, but look at it. If I started making use of it since April the 30th, and this is April the 18th, and I used it today as well, that means it's kind of clocking 3 weeks, and there's been no changes and no effect. So I think I did a pretty good job at reviewing this product. Overall, it smells nice. The smell is not suffocating. The packaging is good. The price is very expensive. My inner spirit is angry for buying this stuff, but it's too late to return it. So yeah, I love you guys. See you guys in another video or episode. Oh, don't forget to check out my other video about this look. I also have some makeup looks on my channel. If you're interested in knowing who did this hair for me, it's also on my description box. If you're interested about my lashes, I sell lashes. Patronize your girl, support black business. Customer service is good. My shipping service is good. Like, I'm not slacking. Packaging, everything is good. Quality is good. Like, I invested my time to make sure I give you guys the best. Love you all, and see you guys in another episode of Keeping Up with Cherish Isaac. Bye.